Daniel. Daniel. Hi. What do you think? What do you think? Look at your new toy that you're too short for.
Hi.
Should we wait another month or two for you to grow?
Can you spin the gorilla? Good job.
There's my baby.
Yay. Oh.
Yay!
Good job. Yay. You're the best.
Oh, look at those little dangly feet.
Did you catch that, Drew?
There you go. So big. So big.
Did you look at mommy?
Hi. Hi.
You're on TV, dude.